PDS has put together a number of councils for each individual subject area, and they meet periodically throughout the year to share ideas and figure out problems together and try to build some community. We've brought together the CTE, the Career Technology and Education people, the science folks, as well as the math people, all together to try to do some STEM event today. So they will be working in groups, working in a fun, lighthearted, collaborative networking environment where they can share ideas, share an experience, and build something really, really cool.
The problem that we were tasked with was creating an invention, if you will, to send an email, and we had a selection of various materials. So what our team did was create a design and actually build the invention so that our device was able to send an email without one of us pushing the send button.
That was great fun today. It was really super great for team building and meeting new people. It was a break from our regular day at school that's so monotonous, so it was pretty exciting.
We ask our students to do these kinds of things all the time by our engineering design practice standards and all of that. So this is giving the opportunity for our leaders, our administrators, and our teachers to kind of live out the experience and be in the place of a student. So it's a learning experience for us that we can then bring back to our district.